and your budget. अगर आपकी पॉकेट अलाउ करती है then only you go with that product, otherwise just. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really great. So today I am again here with yet another haul video. So this is gonna be a Nykaa haul video. जैसे कि आपने देखा था कि नायका पे अभी रिसेंटली सेल लगी थी, सो आई ऑर्डर सम ऑफ द स्टफ फ्रॉम देयर. अगेन दीज स्टफ्स आर नॉट कि मुझे कोई नहीं चाहिए था मैंने तभी लिया है. इट इज़ लाइक कि मुझे थोड़ा बहुत प्रोडक्ट चाहिए था एंड आई जस्ट वांटेड टू गिव इट अ ट्राई टू द न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स. तो मैंने थोड़े बहुत प्रोडक्ट्स परचेज करे अकॉर्डिंग टू माई विश एंड माई बजट. सो प्लीज़ आप कभी ये मत सोचा करो कि किसी और का देख के कभी भी कोई प्रोडक्ट मत लेना. इट्स टोटली योर कॉल एंड योर बजट. अगर आपकी पॉकेट अलाउ करती है then only you go with that product, otherwise just ignore that and enjoy the whole video. Anyways, without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Guys, these are the two boxes which I got from Nykaa. Not that much shopping this time, not at all. Okay, so I'm gonna open this box. अब मैंने आज इस बार कोई box open नहीं करा. I'm going to open with you guys only. So I'm gonna open this small box and then I'll go with this one.
10 seconds later, 346 minutes later, much later.
Yes, done. So let's just open the box. अच्छा, मुझे लगा खाली है, इसके अंदर कुछ भी नहीं है. Alright, so number one product is this one. So number one product is this. This is the Miss Clear eyelash glue in dark tone. मेरे को क्या हो गया आज? Okay, so this is the eyelash glue I ordered. मेरे पास जो eyelash glue है वो ख़त्म हो चुकी है and I just thought why not give a try to the another or brand which is Miss Clear. ये black color की ही eyelash glue है. Reason behind that क्योंकि यू नो आईलैश ग्लू जब आप लगाते हो तो आपका जो लैशेस के ऊपर वाइट कलर आ जाता है. सो टू जस्ट प्रिवेंट दैट आई थॉट ऑफ ऑर्डरिंग कि ब्लैक कलर में ही इस बार लूँ. एंड अबाउट द प्राइजेस आई लेट यू नो इन दी स्क्रीन ओनली क्योंकि मुझे प्राइजेस नहीं याद रहते हैं एज यूजुअल. इट्स नॉट ओपनिंग. या अभी मैंने रिसेंटली एक्सटेंशंस कराए थे. So now my nails are so much weak. अगर मैं ऐसे भी करती हूँ just you know पूरे ऐसे जैसे अभी टूट जाएंगे. So I'm just so much scared जब मैं कोई भी बॉक्स ओपन कर रही हूँ. God, ओपन ही नहीं हो रहा. Thank God. So this is the packaging. It is the green color packaging और इसमें Miss Clear dark blue dark tone made in Korea. So let's just see. Oh wow. So you can see black color का है glue. ठीक है. So I'm going to apply this and इसका मैं review maybe I'll tell you in my Instagram after applying it. So let's just hope. And please do not forget to follow me on my Instagram. My Insta ID is makeup by Sonal Arora. I'll provide you the link in the description box as well. और इनके products के भी मैं links आपको description box में दे दूँगी. So आप मेरे Insta पे मुझे follow करें. I बहुत ज़्यादा updated रहती हूँ. So you can just follow me over there as well. So this was the number one product, which is the eyelash glue. Number second box is this one, this huge box, and I have Mahat here. So let's just open this. Finally it is open and these are the product. So let's start with the product number one. And okay, ऐसे नायका ने पहले प्लास्टिक रैप्स देते थे and now they are giving in a paper kind of wrap. This is a really good thing. बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है. Okay, so the number one product is this. This is the white pencil from Wet n Wild. Guys, this is the white pencil from Wet n Wild and I'm gonna swatch it. Okay. Number one, it got broken right now and right here only. Okay, anyways, coming to the pigments part, so it is quite nice. अगर आप देखो तो white color बहुत अच्छे से glide हो रहा है and show हो रहा है. मैंने ये पहले भी product use करा था. I used that product from one friend of mine. उनके पास था तो मैंने एक बार use करा, so I really like it and I ordered this product which is really good. And इसका प्राइस भी बहुत कम है. I guess I got it for like 97 rupees, but इसका actual price 150 or 140 के approx था. So I got a good discount and the price is also nice. You can really go with this one. You can invest in this palette and you can see इसका size भी काफी लंबा है. So it is going to work for longer period of time. So you can go with this one. Next up, I am going to open this one. Wow, what a design. And what I got, okay. So I ordered one eyeliner brush. Reason behind that क्योंकि मैं usually face paintings करती हूँ. So मुझे ना कोई pointed brush नहीं मिल रहा, like very sleek. So I just thought कि अब मैं एक brand से try करती हूँ. So this one is from the Bronson Professional brand and okay. This is the liner, but इसके bristles are not that thin, which I was expecting it to be. But okay, it's like it can be used for applying white liner over here या थोड़ा सा liner वगैरह के लिए it's good. But मुझे इससे भी थोड़ा tiny लेना था. But that's okay. And इसका price approx 80 rupees है, which is not bad. And अगर हम इसके bristles की बात करें, so they are very soft and काफ़ी पतला है. अगर आप देखो फिर भी still I can work with it. But it's not that thin, which I was expecting it to be. Let's open another package. Okay, so this is the K Beauty lip topper and this is in the shade Starlet. Okay, so talking about the packaging, K Beauty की जो ये packaging होती है बहुत ज़्यादा rich होती है. It gives divine effect, बहुत ज़्यादा rich look देती है. And this is the body. It's a kind of bronze shade. अगर हम copper या bronze shade की बात करें तो ये इस type में है. So let's just open up and see कि क्या है इसमें, कौन सा शेड निकलता है. Because this is the complimentary gift I got from K Beauty. मैंने थोड़े और products भी उसमें से order करे हैं. So I got this complimentary. And it is going to take, hours and hours to get it opened. Finally guys, I'm able to open it. Okay. ये बहुत unique kind of brush is वो मैंने देखा है, very sleek brush and the shade is also nice. I like it. Let's just see. Wow, what a color it is. It is a kind of goldenish copper color and this is a lip topper. You can apply it over your lips. So let me just try. Wow, it is going to give a little bit. This is a technique you can make your lip plumpy. And thankfully मैंने आज shade भी इसके matching का ही लगाया हुआ है. Wow, this is a really nice product. I really like it. K Beauty never make me feel bad for purchasing their product. इनके सारे products are like amazing. So this is a thumbs up for me. You can really go with these lip toppers for sure. I'm gonna open this product. Okay, so this is the product for which I was waiting for so long. I ordered this K Beauty hydrating foundation जो new आया है and this is enriched with avocado plus mango butter. So you can see इसकी packaging, outer packaging are always rich. As I told you, बहुत amazing होती है K Beauty की packaging. And this is in the shade 100p light. Please God, perfect shade आया हो. I don't want कि perfect shade ना हो मतलब sorry. just want, I just pray कि मेरा perfect shade हो. So inside में you can see कि in order to cover the bottle, इसमें sides में इसके ये भी दिया हुआ for the protection wise. Okay, so this is the foundation shade which is going to perfectly match my skin tone for sure. Okay, so talking about the bottle, so this is the bottle. It is the glass bottle and इसमें आप देखो ये डिज़ाइन बने हुए हैं. So always rich look. And इसकी जो कैप है it's in white in color. Let's just open. So मैं इसकी एक सेपरेट वीडियो बनाऊंगी जिसमें I'll be reviewing this product. के ब्यूटी का ये फाउंडेशन मैं उसमें रिव्यू करूंगी and I'll let you know that it is worth the hype or not. And but एक बार मैं बस शेड चेक कर लूँ क्योंकि आई एम लिटिल बिट स्केयर्ड. लग तो रहा है कि मेरे शेड है. सो वी गेटिंग अ पंप ऑल्सो. This is my shade. I'm happy. Thank God. Thank God, this is my shade. But I'll not tell you the hydration part and everything. वो मैं आपको एक इसकी सेपरेट वीडियो में बताऊंगी कि आपको ये परचेज करना चाहिए नहीं. So do wait for that also. So this was the K Beauty foundation. Okay, so next product I'm going to open is this. Let's just see what's inside. Okay, so this is the Swiss Beauty concealer. मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों से सुना है that this is amazing concealer. First of all, the price is like बहुत ज़्यादा low, dude. Like ये 100 something का मुझे मिला है after discount. So I just like कि इतना सस्ता कैसे हो सकता है. So I just thought why not give it a try and like just see how it is going to work. So as you can see इसकी जो box है, this is like this, kind of थोड़ा सा कार्टूनिश टाइप में है. So and the shade is light Moyen 03 and I got it for the highlighting part, not the correcting part, because correcting के लिए बस बहुत सारे हैं but highlighting के लिए I have a very less product. Okay, so this is the packaging according to the price. The packaging is amazing. Outer body, sorry, the outer body is super amazing. As you can see ये थोड़ा सा matte look में bottle है and इस पे black cap है. So let's just open. Okay, so this is the shade for the highlighting part and this is not for highlighting, dude. I got the wrong shade. Or I will manage it doing, I'll manage how to use it in another way, but I think this is not my shade. Okay, anyways, let's just see. अब इसमें आप देखो तो इसकी coverage is quite nice. Wow, amazing coverage. Amazing, amazing. I just love the coverage. ठीक है, इसमें देखो कितने अच्छे से कवर भी कर लिया हैंड को एंड दिस इज़ नॉट एट ऑल हैवी. दिस इज़ वेरी लाइट वेट. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा स्किन फ्रेंडली है. This is nice. I like it. According to the price, this is amazing product. You can really go with this one. But the shade, I guess, is wrong for me. But I'll just try it out and let you know. I'll let you know. So last but not the least is this product. And this is the K Beauty Compact Powder. I was running out of my compact powder. So I thought why not give it a try to the K Beauty product only क्योंकि इसके products are super amazing. मैंने इसके एक lipstick use करी है in the shade Staycation, I guess. No, not Staycation. I just don't remember the shade, but it is a nude pink shade and that shade is amazing. The formula and everything is superb. So I just thought why not to give a try to K Beauty product this time. So the packaging is like as usual amazing. Coming to the shade, so I ordered 100N Light. Wow. So this is the packaging inside the box. ये आपको product को बचाने के लिए होता है and this is the wow. The outer body is superb. I just love it. इसमें मेरी ring light भी दिख रही है. Wow. This is so cute. This is so nice. I love it. And बहुत ज़्यादा रॉयल लग रही है. Metal है and no words. I'm happy. Okay. What? इसमें they are not providing sponge. There is no sponge. Dude, this is bad. Anyways, let's just see. So this is the shade of the compact. Perfect match for me. And talking about the consistency, so this is the pigments. Very nice. बहुत ज़्यादा smooth है. ठीक है, it is very smooth. Glides easily onto the skin. आपको इसमें एक मिरर भी दिख रहा है, which I'm not going to show you because आपको मेरा पूरा बैकग्राउंड दिख जाएगा. So not backgrounds, the front side, and इसके नीचे आपको ये compact मिल रहा है, and the shade range is perfect for me. The shade is amazing. इसकी quality is quite nice. बहुत ज़्यादा smooth है and glides very good in skin. Amazing product. Wow. And shade is truly matching my skin. So that's it for the today's video. I hope you guys like it and this was a bit helpful to you. And if you want to see the new hydrating foundation review, do let me in the comment section below because I am going to film a video for sure, and I'll be reviewing this product very deeply and I'll be doing the testing as well. Till then, bye and take care, and do not forget to wear your mask and don't go out of your home until and unless there is something very urgent. Till then, bye.